Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I'll talk to you a bit about Dogecoins. Now, well, you've noticed that Dogecoin has the value of Dogecoin has really gone up tremendously over the last few years, a few months, up to about a year. It went up, I think, 12,000 times or something like that, 1,200% or something like that. So that's a phenomenal growth. Now, I wanted to explore, is it really worth that much? Does it really, I mean, should should investors really jump in and invest in Dogecoins? That's $1 million question. Having said that, a lot of people, as have made a lot of money. Some have become millionaires. I have I've spoken about one in my previous videos, and so what should investors today do when it comes to Dogecoins? Really, should they go in and invest, or should they just stay away from investing in Dogecoins? So that's the point that I wanted to explore and talk about today. I will give you three, points to ponder before you actually jump into investing in Dogecoin. So let's begin. And before we do that, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please forward and share my videos with people who would really be benefited, and those who are, let's say, in this particular video, looking to invest in Dogecoins. So please help me do that. Share my videos with them. So let's jump in. So the first point that I want to talk to you was to try and understand whether it's really a bubble. Now, what does a bubble mean? A bubble means the value of a product which is way above the real comprehensible value. So that's how the market, or the the investors in the market, define a bubble. So Dogecoin has really gone up. I just saw the last closing value of Dogecoin, that was at 37 cents. It went up to, I think, about 70 cents, 73 cents when it was at its peak just a few weeks ago. So does it really make sense to invest in something which is, it's really seems to be a bubble? So you would know that typically investors invest in overpriced stocks or properties or even cryptocurrencies. So it's kind of a sentiment that people follow. So if it's going up or it's gone up, even if it comes down at a later point in time, it will again go up at some point in time. So that's the kind of a mindset with which people or investors go out and invest. So it's kind of a herd mentality, I would say, that if I like a certain product, or a group of people like a certain product, they take it up, take the value up, and we go and tell 1,000 other people, and they go and invest in the same product or stock or crypto, and that keeps going up. At some point in time, some people withdraw some amount of money, and the value comes down. Again, there are other people who would go out and invest more into that product. The product price will go up. So that's how typically it works. So that leads to my second point, which is essentially on how do you, is it really a FOMO which can backfire, because FOMO usually backfires. So like I mentioned, Um, it's if you are following a bubble, it's can be considered a herd mentality. If the fundamentals are correct, then a herd mentality or the increase in price of increased trajectory works. But if the fundamentals are not correct, then chances are that it would go down. So typically, FOMO, fear of missing out is a problem in the mind where you feel that if I don't invest in a certain stock or product or a property or an asset, I'm going to lose out because the prices are going to go up. But at some point in time, it may come down. If you are able to hold on to it, then it's fine. But if you are not, then you will have to, you know, cut loss and exit. So your FOMO effect backfires. So you have to be a little mindful of this particular thinking and do not really rush into investing in something which is it seems to be a little bit of a, or maybe not a little, quite a bit of a bubble. And that leads to the third point, which is, do you really know the real value of Dogecoin? Now, if you if you're investing in stocks, you would know that there is something called income to earning ratio. So you would look at exploring how the stock has performed over the past period, so whatever that is, days, months, years, and you could sense you could potentially sense the trajectory based on that. Of course, it can come down, it can go up, it could be an up and down sinusoidal wave, but you do have a sense on where the stock is going. But what happens with a Dogecoin or with a cryptocurrency? There is no such trajectory. There is no such data which is data that is credible on which you can rely and make your decision on investment, and you would think that you are safe. Since there is no real value to any of the cryptocurrencies, and there is no straightforward, well laid down regulatory guidelines, it can actually be a real risk. You can follow the mentality or the herd mentality of, oh, it's going up, so I would go ahead and buy, hoping that it would go up even further. But at some point in time, it might come crashing down. So you have to keep a check on your mindset, and you have to stop somewhere. If it's gone up and you have made enough money or you have made some money, you could cash out. You could just sell it all and take the money. It can go up even after you have exited, but it can come down. So that's a probability. So I would suggest that you have to be realistic in your expectations and let it go up to a certain level. And that's when you should not be very, you want to make more money. I can understand, but you have to cut yourself out at some point in time and then sell it off so that you take the profits and stay away from a potential disaster. So, so that was my point. So all in all, it's a balance. So you have to make an informed decision when you're investing in cryptocurrencies, whether it's a Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency. There are many cryptocurrencies. You would find in one of my earlier videos, a few weeks ago, I spoke about, how fake cryptocurrencies are coming up, and why you should stay away from all of that. So you have to be a little careful when you're investing in Dogecoins. So that's it. That's what I had today to warn you, really, about investments in cryptocurrencies and Dogecoins. This is my ebook. This ebook on evaluating yourself to be an entrepreneur. So the ebook is called six-figure corporate job to master entrepreneur. So you would find that on my website. The URL is flashing here. Please go and put down your email address and name, and it will be sent to you to your email inbox for download through a link there. You would really be benefited. There are 3 worksheets which you can do go through for on your own to evaluate yourself as an entrepreneur, your mindset, and I hope that will be useful to you. And by the way, I also are staying on the Dogecoin. If you are really looking for passive income on on cryptocurrencies, I'll put a link on the card above to a tool called Crypto Planet. That's a very useful tool. You could earn passive income from there. Please go and purchase that product. The link will be there as well. It'll be there in the description down below of that video. So go ahead and purchase that. And that's it, guys. So as you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You would find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please go ahead and connect with me. As you know, I work with many companies and startups, helping them on their business marketing and technological challenges. If you want to engage me as your consultant in those areas, please drop me a line on LinkedIn after you have connected with me, or on the contact page on my website. I'll reach out to you very soon. So that's it, guys. Hope you like the video. Please like my video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please smash the notification bell. And please share my videos so that people who would really be benefited from my videos will get an opportunity. Please do that and take care. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Thank you and bye-bye.